not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. What you got yourself.
Coffee, come to me. Oh, I need this. It's so early. It's so early for no reason. No, it's only 6:50. It's dark though. It's like really dark. Right.
No cheesecake.
Really, baby? Gotta throw the stuff?
Yeah.
Hi, good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning, friends. Okay. You're so cute. So yeah. What else? What else do I have to tell you guys? Yeah, so I was like, good morning. That's what I meant to. I don't know why I'm so horrible at vlogging. You guys have. You want to say something to the sunshines, right?
No.
He don't have nothing to say. He don't never have anything good to say. Never have anything to talk about. He's the boringest Spanish person that I know. He's boring. He's very boring. He makes my life very dull and boring. Right? Don't you do, Rob?
Sure.
Yeah, he agrees. So good morning to my sunshines. Hi haters. I see you. I see you looking. Good morning, Maddie. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning. Get your hand out your diaper. Ew. What are you doing? No, don't touch me with that hand. I don't know what. No, Madison, Maddie. I dare you, little girl. Oh, nasty butt got her hands in her diaper. Anyways, I don't know where my husband is. Not speaking to him because yesterday I went to go buy nasty Popeyes and they had the nerves to not give me my biscuit. Come home, my husband is mad because I didn't bring home the biscuit. It's not my fault they forgot the biscuit. So what are you mad at? Now he mad at me because he didn't get to eat biscuit. Whose fault is it that you didn't get to eat biscuit? I'm still pissed off about it. Still pissed off. Still pissed off. And then, you know, another thing I have to pick. Everybody wants to watch my video. Stop watching me. Stop watching me. All they do is just watch to be nosy. Go sit down. I'm irritated today. I'm irritated and it's just going to be all over this vlog. So annoyed. Well, hello there. Good morning. I forgot to put on my face. And my face reflects how I feel. And I feel like crap. I'll be back.
We're getting food.
You don't have to be so snappy, you know, Rob. The light is in your face. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh gosh. Never mind. Give me my plate. Just give me my plate. I can have some of that one.
Yep.
You treating us like we are bothered to you this morning. Are we bothering you, Rob? Rob, you sure about that?
The camera is.
Bye. Hey guys, so I was trying to get my husband to do the sit down videos on all my personalities and stuff, but he was like, I'm not gonna do that. He doesn't feel comfortable doing it, mainly because he just doesn't know who he's talking to. And you know, he was like, I just don't want to put that part of you out there, if that makes any sense. And I understand where he's coming from, because technically he doesn't know you guys. I'm the one that, you know, interact with you guys on a daily basis, and he's very private. So I knew it was kind of hard, but I feel like he knows my personalities better than I do. So with that said, that video is not gonna happen no time soon. Okay, so I can go ahead and fill you guys in a little bit so that you're not left wondering what this is. I monitor my comments. I monitor every single comment. And a few people have this idea that I am possessed. I am not possessed. There's no demons in my body taking over. No, I'm not possessed. Do your research. You know, a lot of people think, oh, you don't read your Bible. You don't read your Bible. Maybe if you did read your Bible, you would know the difference between demonic possession versus DID. Two different things. When trauma happens to you, it's your brain that people don't understand the power of your brain and what it can do for you in terms of survival. So basically what happened is a lot of things I won't talk about, and if I start to talk about something and I kind of like start rambling, it doesn't make sense, it's because I can't remember. So basically I will try to stay on track as much as I possibly can. So there's 3 personalities. There's Janice, this is my body. This is the body I was given at birth. There's Janice. That's the personality that was born. I want to say she's 17. And then there's Jace. Jace came about, the first traumatic experience that I ever had in my life was when I was 4 years old. And I remember that it was 4 because my younger sister at the time, she was just born, and I am 4 years older than her. So that's the time when that happened. And what happened was, back in Jamaica they have pit toilets or outhouse. Hang on. They're called pit toilets. And what it is that you dig a hole in the ground and you build like a house on it, and then you put floors and stuff, and you can sit and go to the bathroom. So where we lived, it was a tenement yard, meaning there were different tenements, like an apartment, but it was like only 3 houses. It was 3 rooms. So there was my dad, my mom, and 5 kids. I think it was 5 kids in 1 room. And I asked to use the bathroom as I was told, and I went, and what happened is someone took the nails out of the flooring to the toilet, and when I stepped in, I fell straight down into the hole, like, and I was covered in poop. I was just covered. All I remember was being plucked out of there by my finger. It just have fragments, or you know, different memory. What I have is like dreams of falling. Like I will have dreams of falling and I can't stop the fall, and I'm falling and I can't stop. So I want to say that's the time about where Jace came. That was the most traumatic experience I had that young. And then after that, there were other things that took place that I will never talk about on camera. I will never ever share that experience because it's not something I want out there about me. And then also, I want to say I was 11 when something else happened. So it was just stuff just kept on happening and happening and happening and happening. And then I also lived in a community where there were just so much violence, and you know, every day you hear of someone dying, or you know, I literally watched someone got burnt alive in a tire, and you know, you can just hear the scream, and it's just like, oh. And so my dad took me, and he just basically he took off with me. But I want to say it was kidnapping, I don't know, but no one really knows the story behind it. But All I know is that one minute I was living with him, and then the next minute I was being given to someone, sold. You know, the lady said she gave him money and she took me because her daughter wanted someone, you know, a little girl that she could take care of. But that was not what happened. What happened was I went through hell with that lady. I was the only child. She lived in this big house, and I remember just getting beat over and over and over and over and over, and I would get up and there'd just be blood on the floor, and it was like an out-of-body experience where I see the blood but it doesn't look like it's my blood. And it's just, it was very traumatic. And then out of nowhere my mom just came and got me, and I went back to living with her. And then, you know, she had her husband and then my dad. It was just a very dysfunctional situation where, you know, people made fun of us because our dad and our stepdad live in the same house, and it was just a hot mess, you know. And to make matters worse, you know, when you live in a very poor household where you don't know where your next meal is coming from, you're vulnerable to everybody and their mama. You know, we used to go to people's house just to be fed, and whew, and people took advantage of that. People take advantage of something that they know that they can control, you know. And food that's not something, because you know when you're hungry you will do anything. And so I'm gonna stop here because I feel myself getting emotional and I don't want to. So that's as much as I will share for today. Maybe I will share another day, but right now I can feel my anxiety levels just slowly rising, and talking about my childhood is not something that I enjoy doing. Not even when I go to therapy, I talk openly with my therapist, because Jace doesn't really like to talk, and she's the one that holds most of the majority of the memories. And when we go to therapy, she does not like to talk. Janice, on the other hand, she's, I don't know, I don't know, that personality just tends to just show up whenever time it's has anything to do with intimacy, like I said. So it's not really a personality that's like, hey, let's just hang out, you know. No, she just shows up because the body needs pleasure, if that makes any sense. And me, Janice, is just lost, you know. A bulk of my memory is just not there, and I don't know who I am. And I wish all my personalities were integrated and are one, so that it can live a life. But at the same time, you know, you can't rush. And I can guarantee you I'm not a possessed person. So yeah, that's as much as I will share for today. So with that said, I will see you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for interacting with me. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much for your kind words. You know, I read a lot that I am a great mother, and that means a lot, because when I started having kids, I told myself that I would never, ever, 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 ever let my kids experience anything at all that could affect them the way that my childhood did. So stability for my kids, love, support, being there for them at all times is just at the top of my list when it comes to raising my children. So you guys saying that I'm a great mom is, means so much to me, and I appreciate you guys for saying all your kind words and stuff. And I try my best. I do my best and I forget the rest. So anyways, guys, this is not a sad video. This is not a video for pity or for you to feel sorry for me. It's just a look into a mental illness that I've struggled with for so long. And if I can help one person out there, that's just my goal. And I love each and every one of you, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.